Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Xiaomi 12. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here we'll write Firefox and hit the search button. Now click on this app and select install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and start customizing it. From here we can change the light or dark theme or set it automatic. Let's pick dark theme. You can change toolbar placement from top or bottom. Let's pick it on top. And you can change always on privacy settings from standard to strict. I'm gonna choose standard, and from here you can also log into your other Firefox browsers and sync them together. You should read your privacy policy, and after all that you can start browsing your browser. You can open basically any website and it should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.